Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jatana on this site. I have come up with equation of circle in some special cases. So I have brought 6 cases. Look here, this is the first one. This is case number 1. This is case number 1. What you find here, there are 4 circles. They are touching the x-axis. So it means there are going to be 4 equations. So it will be, look here, in this case, the center is hk. So x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to, radius is k. Radius is k. So is equal to k square. In this case, center is minus h comma k. It will be x plus h square, y minus k square is equal to k square. In this case, x plus h square, y plus k square is equal to k square. In this case, the equation will become x minus h square plus y plus k square is equal to k square. So let us go to case number 2. This is the case number 2. Again, in this case, there are 4 circles. They are touching the y-axis. So in this case, the radius will become h. Center is hk, radius is equal to h. So it will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to h square. In this case, h component will become plus, rest same, minus. Similarly, in this case, both will be plus. In this case, h component will become minus and k component will become plus. So these 4 cases will arise. Now, again here, there are 4 circles. Again, same. The center is r comma r. So in this case, everywhere it will be r instead of hk. As in above, the hk was there, center was hk, now it is r. So it will become, equation will become x plus minus r square, y plus minus r square is equal to r square. Now let us go to case number 4. If the circle touches x-axis at origin, look here, it is touching x-axis at origin. 2 cases will be there. So here the center is 0k, here the center is 0 minus k. So x minus 0 square plus y minus k square or plus k square is equal to k square. There will be 2 equations. One will be with plus sign, other will be minus sign. Now, in this case, the circle is passing through the origin and it is having intercept on the x-axis as well as y-axis. So it will become 4 cases. This is the first quadrant case. Similarly, second quadrant case will be there, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, 4 cases will be there. However, the equation will come x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. Now, let us go to case number 6. If the circle touches y-axis at origin, look here, it was touching at x-axis, now it is touching at y-axis. Again, there are going to be 2 equations. One will be with plus h, look here, this is plus h and this is minus h. In this case, 2 equations will become like this. So you find in many cases, such type of questions are there. So it will become very easy to just write the coordinates of the center and the equation will become very easy. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you might have understood. keep on watching my videos until the end so that you are able to understand properly. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.